South Korea's exports are on the rise, and December's latest figures are no exception. The upbeat numbers are fueling optimism for the country's economic outlook. Our Park Kun-woo has the latest.
South Korea's exports for this month through December 20th reached a record high for the same period of any year due to strong chip shipments. According to data from the Korea Customs Service on Monday, outbound shipments totaled $43 billion, up 6.8% on year. The previous record was set last year when exports exceeded $40 billion, but that figure was surpassed once again in 2025. Semiconductors led the gains, jumping more than 40% on year, while wireless communication devices and computer peripherals also posted solid increases. By destination, exports to China and Vietnam rose overall, but the U.S., one of Korea's three major exporting countries, saw a shrink due to Washington's tariff policies. With exports continuing to rise, the industry ministry says the country is likely to exceed the government's annual target of $700 billion, which would mark the highest export total ever for South Korea. As of December 20th, exports had already surpassed $683 billion, leaving just around $16 billion more to meet the goal. Last year, Korea recorded more than $21 billion in exports during the final 11 days of December, and with exports again hitting record highs, similar momentum is expected this year. One expert says exceeding the target would be significant, but warns there are risks to sustaining the momentum.
Questionable whether we will still be able to keep up this export momentum next year because we're not sure if the AI investments will continue and Korea will be hit with tariffs next year, even though it was less than what we expected at the beginning of 2025.
The expert also stressed the importance of diversifying Korea's trading partners.
Need to strengthen its trading relationship with countries other than the United States. United States, I think, will be, for the near future, they will try to maintain their current trade barriers. So Korea needs to reach out and expand exports with other countries.
But he added that strengthening the domestic economy is equally important, noting that most job creation and economic growth stem from within the country. A balance, he says, will be key to sustaining long-term growth. Park Kun-woo, 아리랑뉴스.